In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable with Supabase. If you're building with Lovable and you want your app to talk to a fast, scalable Postgres database, Supabase is a great choice. By connecting the two, you enable features like secure data storage, authentication, and real-time updates directly from your Lovable project without custom wiring. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Lovable and that you have the right project open. It also helps to know which Supabase project you plan to use, so you can move confidently once the connector is open. Begin by opening your Lovable project. From your dashboard, select the specific project you want to connect so you're working in the right place. This avoids confusion later, especially if you manage multiple projects or environments like staging and production. Take a second to confirm the project name and workspace at the top of the screen so you're not making changes in the wrong environment. Inside the project, head to Settings. You'll usually find this in the left sidebar or the project menu. The Settings area is where you control integrations, security, and project level configuration. If you land on a different Settings tab by default, that's fine. We'll navigate to the right spot next. Within Settings, look for the Connectors section. This is the hub for linking external services to your project. Connectors streamline configuration so you don't have to manually wire APIs or environment variables on your own. If you don't see connectors, make sure you have the right permissions for the project, or try refreshing the page. Some options may be organized under an Integrations tab depending on your layout, so keep an eye on the tabs near the top of Settings. Next, select the Supabase connector. This opens the integration panel where Lovable guides you through connecting to your Supabase project. At this point, you're simply choosing Supabase from the list. Pick the official Supabase option so you get the correct setup flow. If the connector isn't visible, confirm you're on the project's integration page and that your workspace plan supports database connectors. A few tips as you proceed. Have your Supabase project details on hand, such as the project URL and any required keys, and keep them secure. Work in a test project first if you're experimenting, and double-check which environment you're connecting to so you don't mix development and production data. If something doesn't appear as expected, reopen Settings and revisit the Connectors section to make sure you're in the correct place. That's it. Open your Lovable project, go to Settings, choose Connectors, and select Supabase. From there, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection.